Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you, as the title says, a cream to lighten tan pigmentation, discoloration and acne scars in just 3 days. When you read that 3 days, you might have got really amazed. Yes, it will lighten in 3 days, but that totally depends on your skin issues, how pigmented your skin is, how scarred your skin is. If it is too deep and too prominent, it will take some time to lighten, but if it is not so deep and scarred, it will lighten in 3 days. But that does not mean if you're too pigmented and you're too scarred, does not mean that it will not lighten. If you use it religiously, of course it will lighten, and it really lightens even tan, like really superbly. It has all magical ingredients in it which will only enhance the texture of your skin. So when I say lightening, brightening, whitening, it's not going to make you white, it's not going to make you fair, it's just going to enhance the texture of your skin you were born with. It's just going to improve it, it's going to make it really radiant and amazing. And the ingredients which I'm going to be sharing with you, like main ingredient is red sandalwood powder, which is there in this remedy. Before you go ahead how to make it, please subscribe to my channel Princess Priyanka down below. You can hit on that and please hit on the bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Just click on the bell again, I guess, because you have to get notified as soon as I upload. So you should get notified every time. I think that's what it means. Not too sure. And do check my social media links also, which will be in the description box. And there are Snapchat, Proposo, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So go ahead and watch how to make it. So we need kokum butter. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description box. I have brought it from the brand Green Junction. Now babies, kokum butter is really good for the skin, like really amazing for the skin. It actually heals the skin. And yeah, if you buy it, it'll be very good, because this ingredient can be used on your whole face, on your full body, because it just does miracles. आपको ये ख़रीदना है तो मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डालूँगी, आपको वहाँ से ख़रीदना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा है हमारे स्किन के लिए। हमको कल एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा चाहिए और फिर उसको मेल्ट करनी पड़ेगी। मैंने मेल्ट किया हुआ है माइक्रोवेव में, और मेल्ट करने के बाद एटलीस्ट 1 टेबलस्पून हमें चाहिए। तो आई हैव टेकन अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ द कोकम बटर एंड देन आई मेल्टेड इट इन द माइक्रोवेव to get at least 1 tablespoon of melted kokum butter. So accordingly you have to take the piece, because we need 1 tablespoon of the butter at least. After melting it looks like this. Melt होने के बाद ऐसा दिखता है। और फिर हमें चाहिए 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ घी। ये घी गाय का दूध से बना हुआ है। We need a tablespoon of clarified butter. This is made out of cow's milk. Just add it in the melted kokum butter and stir well. Next ingredient is a pinch of Rakta Chandan, that is red sandalwood powder. This is really amazing to get rid of scars, especially chicken pox marks. It gets rid of it really well. It lightens tan, pigmentation, scars and everything like really well. It's really amazing for the skin. So we need a pinch of red sandalwood powder, and I've brought it from the brand Vibha Ayurveda. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description box. So just add it into the mixture and stir well. Add कीजिए और अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कीजिए और फिर स्टोर कीजिए जहाँ भी आपको स्टोर करनी है। Pour it into where you want to store it and then keep it in the fridge. You have to keep this in the fridge and take it out only when you want to use it. कंटेनर में डालने के बाद आपको ये फ्रिज में रखनी पड़ेगी और निकालो जब भी आपको यूज़ करना है। और आपके पास फ्रिज नहीं है तो बाहर रूम टेम्परेचर में रख दीजिए, जहाँ डायरेक्ट सनलाइट नहीं होगी, और ये फ्रीज होने के बाद ऐसी दिखती है। After you keep it in the fridge, it looks like this. It freezes. And once you touch it, oh my god, it's freaking creamy. It's really amazing. Just take a little bit and massage it on your skin. I'm sure nobody has made this ever before. I'm the first one, and whoever is the next one, please put it in the comments below. तो ये है हमारा क्रीम. Here is the cream which we are going to apply. So my face is nicely cleansed. It's completely dry. And ये दाग को बहुत अच्छी तरह से कम करती है, बट आपको हर दिन लगाना चाहिए, फिर आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखेगी. थोड़ा लेना, अपना स्किन में डालिए और मसाज कीजिए. बस just take a little bit, apply it on your skin and start massaging. And this is for all skin types. All skin types can use it because it's not very greasy. As you massage, it gets absorbed and the greasiness just vanishes. So it is suitable for all skin types. You can apply this any time of the day. Well, at least let it be on your skin for minimum 1 hour and maximum at least 8 hours. But minimum 1 hour it should be on your skin. So massage at least for 3 to 4 minutes in upward motion. It really helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and even sagging skin. If used religiously, it will lighten, brighten and whiten your skin. But that does not mean I am promoting fair skin, because it will only reduce your tan, pigmentation, acne, scars, discoloration in the long run. Homemade remedies is not going to make you white or fair as such. That's just not possible. On my side cheeks, I had quite prominent pigmentation, and it is lightened only with natural ingredients. Even very good to lighten dark circles and fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. So see to that you keep like some time to massage around your eyes, because it will really help. This is even very good to heal burns, wounds, cuts quite fast, even upcoming pimples. So babies, if you have any video requests, please put it in the comments below. It will be my pleasure to fulfill those needs. And yes, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. And see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye. Mwah.